everybody, Dr. Kamika here. You're watching the Dr. BARI ACT RIGHT Channel. And today we're going to talk about how I make my detox tea. Yes, it's a little different from other tea detoxes because mine is, the base is not just apple cider vinegar, it's also tea. So we use tea of choice. I also use raw honey and cayenne pepper, but today we're going to use some hot pepper and see how that works. And we use 1 whole lemon. We have some cinnamon. Our kitchen utensils, we use our blender, of course a teapot for brewing, and hot water. And we'll pour our tea that we brewed overnight into our mixer or blender. And you can use what teas you like. I use black tea in this one. I used a hibiscus tea, a yogi tea. Usually use what tea you're needing to meet your detox needs. And of course we're going to add in our cinnamon. It can't be a good apple cider vinegar based detox without cinnamon. All right, and of course, like I said, lemon, hot honey. There's that honey again. Make sure you get that in. If you want some sweetener, you do not have to have it. It's optional, but if you like a sweetened detox, use raw honey. I just bought hot honey because I wanted to eliminate using cayenne pepper and honey and test this out to see how well it works. And it works pretty good. And we have a Kirkland apple cider vinegar with the mother. So make sure you shake that bottle up before you pour it into your measuring cup, which is going to be 1 cup to make this a concentrated tea. You're going to do a tablespoon of cinnamon, and there's our black tea, and that's a caffeinated tea. I bought a yogi detox, digestion detox, because that's what I'm focusing my detox on today. Now, dandelion is a good way to get rid of excess fluid, as well as hibiscus. You can put that in there. I also sometimes use a senna tea to help with digestion and constipation, irritability. Mostly constipation, gets rid of the constipation. And then mint tea, that's my taste of choice. I like mint, so most of the time we'll have a mint tea in there. And we pour all of that in there. We put all our ingredients: tablespoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of honey, a whole lemon, and our concentrated tea, and apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna mix it evenly till everything is evenly distributed. And then it's gonna be kind of frothy because of the apple cider vinegar that we added in. And we're using the mixer. Now there's that froth. We're gonna let it settle a little bit to let our mixture separate from the froth. And then we'll pour it in our container for storage. And we can put that in the refrigerator to chill. So here I would use a 1-to-1 ratio to make a tea or drink of the concentrated tea detox. And then the rest I will store in a container to use either for shots in its concentrated state or as a drinking tea. And you can drink it hot or cold in 1-to-1 ratio. So if you use 4 ounces of water, use 4 ounces of concentrated tea to make your detox. And you drink 2 ounces as a shot and store the rest. And that is pretty much it. Yeah, you can store this in the refrigerator, drink it hot or cold. So that is what we have for you today regarding our shots and our tea, detox tea. And once again, we got the tea. We're going to brew that. Then we add in our whole lemon, 1 whole lemon, the juice of 1 whole lemon, cinnamon and honey, 1 tablespoon of each, and a cup of apple cider vinegar. And that's what you need. And that's what you have it. That's my recipe for detox tea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.